Hey there! Another challenge, another critical situation I'm in. I love doing challenges. So, in this one, I had to remake an old game made by me. The one I have chosen was the Terrorist Spaceship, an action game. The player, which is a robot, has to defend his own spaceship against the attack of several robots, being this the game I have made for a game jam 2 years ago. So, with all that said, let's get started. After planning what I will do, I started programming the whole game again, but more organized. I started creating the manager, which is a class that will contain the standard methods provided by the mono behavior. In the same class manager, we got an array of systems that will execute in this order: the player, the camera, the NPC, the interaction, the audio, and then the interface. Starting with the player system, we got the stats, the interaction detector, and then the third-person mode, following by the camera system, which only contains the third-person mode. Next, we got the NPC system, which contains some classes like the stats, the interaction detector, the spawn group, the spawn, and one NPC, the enemy. Then we got the interaction system that contains the interface, the area of interaction, and different types of interaction like the door, the enemy doors, and the vending machine. There are different types of vending machines that provide ammo, health, and special abilities. The audio system has 3 different types: the music, the ambience, and the effects. And finally, the interface system, where we have an automatic canvas group and different types of interface for the different screens we have in the game. Okay, let's go ahead to the 3D modeling section, and here an upgrade was noticed. I have added a few extra objects to the map, as well I gave them new textures. I have improved the shadows by adding invisible boxes as if they were invisible walls. I even changed a bit the main character model, but time was precious and I had to speed up things. I still had a bunch of other stuff to do. Then we got the audio. Here, I tried to choose an ambience type that will make the player be more anxious, giving a state of fear, but at the same time uncomfortable of being there. So, there are places where we have different types of ambience. Some are quieter, while others are more noisy. That makes the player be more cautious of his surroundings. I even changed a few audio effects, like shooting the gun, interacting with objects, or even unlocking a new area. Alright, now we got the interface. I had to adjust the buttons and text according to the 3D scene later in the background. I also made the interface simple and just typography, giving more space and freedom for the 3D scene, hoping it will be readable while playing. The next step was to add 4 different levels of difficulty: the easy one, the medium, the hard, and the nightmare, where the enemy's quantity, their attack, health, and others will change according to the level of difficulty. Now, about the meaning of the colors in this game. For example, the color of the flashlight is blue, giving a sensation of trust. The yellow for the doors which the player can unlock, meaning freedom, being happier of having more rooms to escape. But that color could also warn you to be more cautious. Then the color green for health, the purple for special abilities, and the blue for ammo, etc, etc, etc. Spending already 48 hours remaking my whole game, let's now test it and see the final result. So, this is it. Another challenge made. I hope you like it, and I hope I can keep up with these challenges. They still take some time to do, not speaking about 3D modeling or programming, but editing the videos too, planning, etc. And because I'm writing a book as well about fantasy and mystery, and right now, university projects are starting, so I hope I can manage everything. I can do this. So, this is it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it really helps me a lot. Thanks for all the support and see you next time. Bye for now.